From the Oil Region Library Association. So today we're going to be trying our hand at rock balancing. Rock balancing is the art or hobby of balancing rocks without any added strings, wires, or extra adhesives to make them stick together. You may have seen rock balancing before, maybe not in real life, but on social media. We pre-gathered some different types of rocks for you today so you can see what is a nice starting point to work with. Now, you're going to want a base. And some rock balancing 101 is, they say that a nice base stone is going to have either a crack or a divot in it to set the next base on top of. We've collected some flat rocks, medium-sized rocks, small rocks, a nice assortment of sizes and shapes to try to make a very original art piece when we're finished. Now also, another rock balancing 101, they say that each rock needs to connect to the rock beneath it by 3 points, as if you think of it as a tripod having 3 legs. So when you place a rock on the one beneath it, it needs to be touching that rock in 3 different places to become stable. This might take some twisting and turning to get a nice fit. All right, guys, are you ready? Alright, and as you can see, here's one of our finished products. We'd love to see what you can create. Post a photo onto one of our social media accounts and show us your rock sculpture.